I feel like it's a team will be a good fit for me. Playing in the Spanish league is probably one of the best in Europe to prove myself. I remember that game. The crowd uh, was was very into the game. They made it hard on us. You guys ended up beating us, but that's what I remember, the crowd and how passionate they are about their team. And I'm looking forward to being a part of that. Now I'm on the home team now, so I'm just looking forward to it. I feel good. It's a tough situation in Istanbul, but those guys were, good to me. Had problems back home, but that's in the past now. So I'm focusing on improving myself as a player, and and also improving as a team. Of course, my main skills is blocking shots. That's what I'm known for. But just being energy, bringing that pressure on the defensive end, and just bringing energy. Rebounding, blocking shots, running the floor. That's just going to be my main objective and goal this year to improve on each and every game. I play with a lot of veteran guys on that team, and they taught me so much. Just how to be a professional and how to play the right way. And LeBron, he's a good guy. Works extremely hard. That's why he's the best player in the world. Because he works extremely hard each and every day to improve on his craft. But anything I took from that is just the experience and them teaching me so much about the game.